Welcome back, dear students, in our science class. Today's our topic is mixture. Substances which are composed of two or more substances in any proportion are called mixtures. Mixtures are also known as impure substances. The various substances present in a mixtures are called its components or constituents. For example, in a mixture of sugar and sand are its components. In any mixture, each component retains its unique property. For example, in sugar solution, the properties of sugar and water do not change on forming a solution. The first sip is as sweet as the last sip. The components of mixture can be separated by a simple process. A mixture may be a solid, a liquid, or a gas. Mixtures are classified into two types: homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Let us first discuss homogeneous mixture. In homogeneous mixture, components of mixtures are uniformly distributed and each part of the mixture has the same properties. In this mixture, the particles are not visible as they get mixed completely. For example, when some salt is dissolved in water, the particles of salt and water are present in the solution, but they are not visible to our eyes. There are several natural homogeneous mixtures in our daily lives. For example, first, air. It is a mixture of several gases like oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, and water vapor. Second, milk. It is a mixture of proteins, fats, carbohydrates, and water. Third, seawater. It is a mixture of water and salts dissolved in it. Even there are certain homogeneous mixtures that are prepared by us. For example, milkshake, ice cream, coffee, and fresh lime. Now let us understand heterogeneous mixture. In heterogeneous mixture, the components of the mixture are not uniformly spread throughout the mixture and each part of the mixture has different properties. In this mixture, the particles are visible as they do not mix completely. A mixture of sand and water is a good example of this mixture. Some other examples of this mixture are: first, mixture of water and oil; second, mixture of chalk powder in water.